we have here a math challenge. I posted this one in my FB account. We have here, suppose that the radius of a circle is increased by v%. What would be the area of the new circle? Meaning to say the larger circle. We say larger circle because the radius is increased. Okay. Now, for the solution, we have to recall that the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared, where r is the radius. Now, since the radius is increased by v%, we get r plus v over 100 times r. Again, we're increasing here the radius by v%. So we don't exactly know the v value. So by expression, it is equal to v over 100 because we're talking about percent. Now, taking the common factor here, we got r. So what is left inside the parenthesis is 1 plus v over 100. Then that should be our length of the radius of the new circle. Then we have this formula, applying the formula of getting the area of the circle. So we use this one, the length of the radius of the new circle, because again, the radius is increased by v%. So substituting it here, you have pi times 1 plus v over 100 times r, the enclosed terms here raised to the second power because this one is the length of the radius of the new circle, the radius which is increased at v%. Simplifying the right side of the equation, we get a equals pi, then the second power of 1 plus v over 100, and the second power of r. So this is now the new area, or the area of the new circle. The circle whose radius is increased by v%.